Hello everyone! It's April 3. So, may nagbigay sa atin ng Jayco. Salamat, Sherwina, for the sponsor. Okay, so buksan natin ang ating Jayco. Well, guys, Jayco is originally from Malaysia. It's a halal donuts. Sobrang dami ng branches nila dito sa it's from Indonesia. It's Indonesian cafe chain specializing in donut, coffee, and frozen yogurts. So, Jayco Donuts and Coffee ang pangalan nila. Kala ko Malaysia, Indonesia pala. So, wrong information tayo. It's from Indonesia. It was founded in Indonesia and owned by Johnny Andrian Group. Andrian Group. Ayan, may global presence na sila. Tapos, Asian countries including Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore, and Hong Kong, meron ng Jayco. And, etong bago lang nalaman ko, meron na rin sa Saudi na Jayco. Significant presence in the Philippines with multiple outlets, but the brand's roots are firmly from Indonesia. So, Indonesian product to, hindi to Malaysia pala. So, yun yung dapat natin i-correct. Kasi lagi ko sinasabi Indonesian, from Indonesia ang Jayco. From Malaysia, Indonesia pala. So, yan, meron silang pa-tape. Binuksan ko na, just now. Tingnan natin kung ano yung kasama ng half dozen box ng donuts. Okay, let's open it, guys. Let's open it. Seal ba? Hindi siya naka-seal, pero super, super higpit. I like it. We just have got home, guys. Ayan, ito yung inclusion ng ating 6 pieces donuts. So, tingnan natin ang flavors. Of course, this is the all-time favorite Al Capone. And then, search natin sila. Itong isa, I believe it's, wait lang. Sinesearch ko talaga. Jockey Chunk ang tawag dito sa isa, which is the nutty chocolate sa sa Dunkin Donuts. So, ito yung version naman nila. And then, I believe green tea to eh. Green teas ang pangalan nito. Green teas. And then, ito pistachio. And then, chocolate sprinkle yung isa. Ayan, may avocado din pala sila. I didn't know. I think official. Siyempre, Al Capone is the all-time favorite. Yan, guys. And this 6 pieces ng donuts is how much? Wait lang. Ayan, donut price is half dozen is around 300 pesos daw. 300 pesos, around 300 pesos. So, ito po, yung isa strawberry with a chocolate pops. Ayan, meron din palang notes dito. Merong Bali, Jakarta, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, Philippines, Hong Kong, and Saudi Arabia. Wow. Best to consume within 24 hours after purchase. Keep in cool temperature and reheat to enjoy it fresh. Sabi dito, deliciousness never gets old and never gets boring. The secret of Jayco's delectable product comes from the fresh and premium ingredients sourced from different places around the world. But we don't stop there. Our passion also lies in delivering a wonderful experience surrounding our well-loved product, whether it could be our donuts or the Jayco's. Jayco is here just for you, sabi. O, diba, nakikiayon yung aking tirong kasi nga kulay ni Jayco. Ayan po ang ating ayuda for today. And then, the next one is from color yellow din. It's from Bibing Kinitan. And Bibing Kinitan, I believe is, wait lang. Homegrown Filipino brand specializing in bite-sized bibingka. Open natin. 2004 nag-start yung Bibing Kinitan. BBK ang tawag nila. Ayan. Ito yung Bibing Kinitan. We're back. Yun guys. So, ang nangyari is tinanggal ko siya sa box kasi nga nagkaroon ng ants kasi nga super tamis siguro. Ayan siya, Bibing Kinitan. Meron siyang mga cheese. Tapos yung iba, merong salted egg. So, super yum. Tikman natin. Yung J ko, mamaya ako titikman kasi nga matamis. I'm gonna eat the bibingka with salted egg. Lasang hindi siya flour yung ginamit. Parang rice flour talaga. Lagi ko nung binibili sa Manila. Ayan, may franchise din pala to. 70% of the stores company owned and 30% is franchise. Madami akong nakitang ganito, mga kiosk lang siya. Dito sa Zamboanga, I believe sa KCC. Sarap. Nandun yung sweetness of the bibingka. And then, siyempre yung cheese. Tapos, andun yung salted egg. Sorry guys, nagsasalita ako habang kumakain. Yum. Thank you very much sa mga ayuda. Bibing Kinitan. Yan, tama. Bibing Kinitan. All day fresh bibingka. And from Jayco, thank you very much sa ating mga sponsors. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa aking mga videos. So, sa susunod na pag-review ng mga food, thank you. Bye!